Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we create a floor plan inside AutoCAD, which is the basic requirement for a civil engineer to know about. Same for the architectural engineer as well. So I just made this floor plan inside AutoCAD. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to be a part of the conversation. Thank you. So let me just do one thing, and that is I'll just cancel this and I'll just open my AutoCAD. Right, so first of all I would like to make the floor plan, and then I would like to add certain dimensions and some of the basic requirements. So first of all I will set the units. So I will enter UN. When I say 4, it means I actually press the space button. UN4. When I say 4, actually I press the enter button or space button, because both of the keys works the same. I will change the unit, the type to architectural, and our precision 00. And once you click on the architectural, the engines will automatically detect it. Right. So I will draw a line starting from somewhere here like this. Now it is free line. Now press F8 to make the line orthogonal and define this length 50. And for feet you have to press the key besides enter key, and this symbol you will find this on your keyboard, and I will press enter. Again press enter. Whenever you not press the escape key, you can repeat the command Z enter E enter to fit your view. Now when I just scroll in and scroll down, the UCS just come along with me. I will click on view, click on display UCS, and I will remove it from origin. Now if you zoom in, zoom out, the UCS will not go along with you. Again press on the middle mouse button a couple of times to fit your view. Same you can do with Z enter E enter. See, again I will draw a line starting from somewhere here, come downward and define 60 feet and hit enter. Again Z enter E enter, and now I will take offset, O for offset, and define 50 feet and hit enter. Select this line and click somewhere here. Now press escape, O for offset, and this time I will take 60 feet offset from this line and click somewhere here. Press escape to get outside of the command Z enter E enter. See, now what I can do, I will add another line, or I can do one thing. I will draw a rectangle, or EC for rectangle, and starting from somewhere here till here. Now I will move, select right click, left click, and move this somewhere here. Right, now Z enter E enter, and now what I can do, I will take another offset of our offset 12 feet from, or before going to that I will add a line like this. Now I will move this line at 12 feet. See, now this is fine for me. Z enter E enter, and then what I can do, I will add another line starting from somewhere here like this. Now what I can do, I can do one thing, over offset 4.5 inch from this line on this side, and from over offset 4.5 and on this side. Now you can select the middle and E for erase. Again Z enter E enter. See, again I will take offset 9 inch from this line, and again for the veranda I will take offset of 7 feet, selecting this line somewhere here like this. See, again what I can do, I will take offset of 9 inch from this rectangle. Z enter E enter. See, now again what I can do, I will take another offset from this line somewhere here. Now if you want to add the stairs, for that I will add a middle line starting from somewhere here like this. See, again I will add a line, and I will add a line starting from somewhere here, come downward and define 4 feet. See, again I will add a line starting from somewhere here like this. Now I will take offset of 2 feet from this line somewhere here. Now I just added 2 stairs. Now TR double enter and select this region, or you can simply select and E for erase. Now Z enter, E enter. I will save this somewhere on my desktop with the name, and I will just save it. See, now whenever again I just want to do certain changes, I will simply press Ctrl S, so that my drawing will be saved automatically. Again what I can do, I do one thing, and that is I will trim this region. I will draw a line starting from somewhere here like this. Again press space button. Whenever you not press the escape button, you can repeat the same command like this. Now I will move this at 3 inch, Ctrl Z, move this at 4 inch, again at 4 inch this one, right? Now what I can do, I will take offset of 4 feet from this line. I think 4 feet is a bit smaller. I will take offset of 5 feet to define the door, and on this side, now I will trim, TR double enter, select both of these regions. See, again I will draw a line starting from the middle, same over here like this. Now I will take offset of 3 feet starting from somewhere here, somewhere here like this. Now Z enter, E enter. Now again I will start a line, L for line, starting from somewhere here. Now this is orthogonal, press F8 so that you can draw free lines starting from somewhere here like this. Again press space button to repeat the command, and I will do this. Again what I can do, I do nothing, just I will add another line starting from somewhere here at 6 feet. See, I will erase L for line. Now this is free, press F8, define 6 feet, and now I will take offset of 6 feet. See, I think 6 feet is too larger, E for erase, O for offset, and I will define 5 feet. From here I will join these lines together. Again I will take offset of 4 inch like this, Now to join both of these, you can either use extend, but simply I will use fillet, F for fillet, select this line and this line. See, right? Same I will add like on this side. I can copy that, but I don't want to do that. I will just define a 5 feet line. See, now this is added over here, and I will take offset of 5 feet. Sorry, Ctrl Z. I will erase this, L for line starting from somewhere here, define the 6 feet, O for offset 5 feet. From this I will join both of the lines together, and now again I will take offset of 4 inch in this way, zoom it, escape to get out outside of the command, F for fillet, choose this line and this line, Z enter, E enter, right? Now mostly we have done. And then what you can do, simply you do nothing, just I will add a line somehow like this, and I will just define 8 feet line. Now I can simply erase it, and I can just define as 10 feet L4 line. Starting from somewhere here, I will define 10 feet. E for erase. Is still less L4 line, starting from somewhere here at 15 feet, and again I will take offset of 15 feet. I will take like this. Again I will just join them together. For offset 9 inch. Again I will zoom it. F for fillet. Choose this line and this line. Now almost we have done, I think. Control S. And now what you can do, you do nothing. I will add a rectangle somewhere here like this, to add a garden type like this. See, now I will just define the doors. For that, what I can do, I do nothing. I will define the doors at this side. Starting line from somewhere here, starting line from somewhere here like this, and starting line from somewhere here like this. Now Z enter, E enter, Control S, and now I think I will move this line at 2 feet. Control Z. I will take offset, offset of 2 feet. O for offset 2 feet. Select the line and click somewhere here. Control Z. Either you want to move at 1 inch. No, O for offset 2 feet. Now TR double enter. TR double enter. See, as defined. Again, M for move. Select the line, right click, left click, and define 1 inch. Again, O for offset 2 feet. Select this and click somewhere here. Press escape, TR double enter, and select this region. See, Z enter, E enter. Now zoom this region. Again, I will move. Right click, left click, and 2 inch this time. Again, M for move. This is, I think, 3 inch more. Now O for offset, and this time I am keeping this door at 5 feet. TR double enter and select this region. Z enter, E enter. Now almost you have done. Now what's remaining is to define the door symbols, and for that I will just take out of circles, starting from somewhere here. Now you have to draw a circle at that corner in which you want to just open your door. So suppose C for circle, and I'll just starting the circle from somewhere here till here. I will TR double enter. I will trim this. See, now C for circle, and TR double enter, and now I will start line from somewhere here like this, L for line, starting from somewhere here, like this. Now TR double enter, like this, Z enter, E enter. Now this is edit. Again I will draw a circle from somewhere here like this, and again TR double enter, cancel this, TR double enter, cancel this, L for line, starting from somewhere here like this, and now TR double enter, Control S, Z enter, E enter. This is ready. Now come here, C for circle, starting from somewhere here like this, press escape, TR double enter, click here, L for line, and somewhere here like this. Now TR double enter, click this region, and this region, Control S, Z enter, E enter. Now I will add another circle like this, L for line, press escape, TR double enter, and now I will select this region, E for erase, Z enter, E enter. Now almost the doors, or if you want you can give a window over here, somewhere like this. Now upper offset at 3 feet, press the middle and erase, L for line, starting from somewhere here, press F8, and like this, and like this. Now Z enter, E enter, Control S. Now the doors are added and each and everything is added. Now what's remaining is just to do one thing, to add the main door. For that what I can do, I will add a line like this, and I will just move this at 4 feet. See, now I will offset, and I just wanna 15 feet because this is the main door. I think 15 is too much. EX double enter, press escape, TR double enter, trim this one, off or offset, and I will just define 10 feet. Click on here. Now TR double enter. Now REC for rectangle. Now I will CO for copy. Now M for move. Right click, left click, hold it from somewhere here and put it here. Z enter, E enter, Control S. See, now what I can do, I will draw 2 circles at 5 feet, and I'll just define 5 feet here. Now what I can do, I will draw a line starting from somewhere here, press F8 to make the line orthogonal, go upward. Now I will trim, TR double enter, trim this region, this region, this region, this region, and this region. Now it's like this, E for erase, it's like this, E for erase. Now this is the main door added, Control S. See, now what's remaining, I think the floor plan is ready. Now just we have to set up the dimensions, but before going to the dimensions I will add some hash commands. So I will enter BH and I will pick the points, click on here, press space, and click on the pattern, other preferences, click on the grass, and I will hit OK. Click on preview, press escape, scale define 12. Now click on preview and it's OK. Now select this, click by layer and choose it green. right? Control S. It's okay. Now what's remaining is just to do one thing. I will click on the H, PH for H, pick points, click on here, and I'll click OK. Control Z, PH for H, pick points, solid, preview, and I will hit OK. Z enter, E enter. Now this is done. Next what remaining is just to do certain trimming. TR double enter. Now I will zoom the certain regions. I will trim this, and I will just trim this. I will trim this. I will trim. I will trim it. Again I will trim this. I will trim this, and I will trim this. Control S, Z enter, E enter. Right? Once you done this, now next you have to add the dimensions. Now for dimensions you need to keep in mind that we use three commands. The first one is DAL double enter, the second one is DLI enter, and the third one is DAN for angular dimensions, right? So for example, when I enter, so before going to the dimensioning, I will just do certain settings for dimension. For that I will enter D. I'll click on the modify. I'll click on the lines. You can do certain lines colors, suppose this one, symbol and arrows. I will add arrow size 1 inch, and then we will see if still it's not fit. Text height, I'll define 2, fit, and I'll hit OK. Right now when I select DAL double enter and I click on this line and put it somewhere here, see, still it's not visible to me. Again I will click on D, click on modify, click on text, define at 12 inch, and I will hit OK. Close. Now DAL double enter. Now it's somehow visible to me. Z enter, E enter. Again I will DAL double enter, put it somewhere here. Now if you want to define the dimensions in between two specific points, for that I will enter DLI. Now I'll choose this point and this point. I will choose this point and this point, put it somewhere here, and then I will define this, and now I will define this, see, and again escape, Z enter, E enter, Control S. Now I will enter DAL double enter. I will choose this again. I will choose this, see. Now DLI enter. I will enter here, somewhere here, somewhere here. Now this is 120 inch. Control S, Z enter, E enter. See. Again I will do certain text. For that I will enter T. I will click somewhere here and I will write down 12 inch, and I will just write down D1 suppose. I will click OK. Now D1 is here. Now I will just make copies of this D1. I will press F8 to free my D1, and I will just put it somewhere here. I will just put it D2 somewhere here. D3 I will put it somewhere here. This is D4 and this is D5. Now you want to edit these texts. For that I will enter ED for text editing. I will select this one and I will just write down 2 and I will hit OK. Now I'll select this one. I'll click D3. and I'll hit enter. Again I will click enter D1, D2, D3, and suppose this is my D4, and I'll hit enter and click on this, and this is my D5, and I'll hit enter. Okay, Control S, Z enter, E enter. Right, next what I can do is just to define another text, and I'll just write down it here by defining the height at 12 inch, and I'll just write down MD, which is my window. Right, I'll just move it a bit of putting up some weird here. Control S, Z enter, E enter. Right, once you done this, but before going to that, I can tell you, once you define all the dimensions, you can simply write down, cancel this, and you can just write down something like defining the text height. Suppose I know I have just made this room 12 by 20 feet, and I'll hit enter. Now what does this mean is the area of this room is this one, but this is the exterior area, right? This is not the interior one. And same for this one. Erase. Right, so I want to copy this and I want to put it somewhere here. Suppose I want to click on the text, and this time I will define, because already I know, and this is 5 by 6 feet bedroom, and I'll hit enter, E enter, or press middle mouse button a couple of times, and then I will make a copy of it, and for move, and I'll just put it somewhere here. Again I'll click on here, and now once you define this, define it by 12 to get the dimensions in feet, and you can just simply write down, suppose I just made this is 12 by 12. Suppose when I enter like this, and you can just define it 12 inches and 12 by 12 feet, and I'll hit OK. Now see, this defined. You can click on the red again, you can click and select the red, you can click and select the red, Z enter, E enter, Control S, and now you can select it and delete it. Now I'll just select and press F8, and I can just move it somewhere here. Z enter, E enter, Z enter, E enter, Z enter, E enter. Right, now what you can do, you can simply do one thing, like let me tell you, you can add a box like this, you can add a line, and then add a table, and for move at 12 inch, sorry 12 is still less, over offset at 50 inch, somehow like this, and now I will add a middle line like this. Now from here you can add for example the room, kitchen, and you can do one thing. Suppose what I forgotten is T for text, and this is 12, and I will just say it to 1, and I want to hit OK, and I want to hit this one. Right, I want to say a copy of this, I want to put it somewhere here, press escape, ED for text editing, and this is bedroom number 2, and I want to hit OK, and I want to say a copy of it somewhere here, like put it somewhere here, ED for text editing, click on here, and you can simply editing, and I'll just convert it into kitchen. Control S, Z, and Z enter, E enter, right, Z enter, E enter. So you can just write down T for text, and let me just zoom it somewhere here like this, and define this by 12, and I'll just say room 1, and you can just move it a bit. This is my room 1, and I'll just take copies of it somewhere here, 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 F8, here, here, and here, right? Again, ED for text editing, ED for text editing. This is my room 2. I wanna hit OK. Again, click on here. This is washroom. I wanna hit OK. This is kitchen. Okay. This is main door. Okay. Again, I'll click on this. Control A. Baranda. Okay. Click on this. And this time I can say the room door width, and I'll hit OK. Right, so as you can see over here, T for text, and I'll just wanna add something like this by defining it 12, and I'll hit enter. And now already I know that I just defined 12 by 20 feet room, and I'll hit OK. See, I'll M for move, and like this, right? Control S. Now I will make copies of this. Put it somewhere here, 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 and here, right? ED for text editing. Control A, and again this is okay for me. Again, the washroom is, that is 5 by 6 feet, and I wanna hit OK. And main door is Control A, and it's 15 feet. Okay, the veranda is 50 by 7 feet, and I wanna hit OK. And the room door width, Control A, it's 5 feet, and I wanna hit OK. Control S, Z enter, Z enter, E enter, right? So once you've done all the things, I think nothing is more important, and this was the basic floor plan for you to understand by defining the dimensions, adding the different requirements within that. And I just told you all the basic things what is needed for making the floor plan, right? So these were the basic requirements, and more probably you will use the same commands again and again. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let me just move this a bit closer to this and a bit closer to this, right? So again, you can add DAL double enter somehow like this as well, right? And Z enter, E enter. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to be a part of the conversation, to be getting such kind of hilarious tutorials to understand things in an easier and simpler way. Thanks for watching. Best of luck, and keep watching the tutorials. Subscribe.